Hi there, grade 6 pupils. Welcome back again to another video lesson. So we are now on week 6 for grade 6 mathematics quarter 1. So during week 5, na-discuss na natin yung process on how to multiply decimals and mixed decimals, as well as solving word problems involving multiplication of decimals and mixed decimals. So for this week, i-continue lang natin yung discussion natin. However, yung discussion natin has something to do with solving multi-step problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction of decimals, mixed decimals, and whole numbers including money. So, yung word problems na na-discuss natin last week is one operation lang po, which is multiplication. Pero dito, maaring multiplication and addition, multiplication and subtraction, or pwede rin namang multiplication kasama yung dalawang operation. So at the end of this video lesson, you are expected to solve multi-step problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction of decimals, mixed decimals, and whole numbers including money. So, ayan po yung ating lesson objective for this video lesson. So, let's have the first problem. Nilo packed 10 bags of garlic and 15 bags of onion. Each bag containing garlic weighs 1.75 kilograms, while each bag of onion weighs 2.5 kilograms. If these bags were put in a container, what is the total weight of the packed vegetables or vegetables? So, yung ating steps dito para isolve natin yung inihingi niya. So, yung una po is understand. So, identify what is asked and what are given. So, yung what is asked natin dito, so, pwede nating ilagay the total weight of the packed vegetables. Next, what are given naman? So, what are given? So, yung given natin dito, 10 bags of garlic, wherein each bag weighs 1.75 kilograms. So, pwede nating ilagay 10 bags of garlic and then 1 bag is equal to 1.75 kilograms or weighs 1.75 kilograms. And then 15 bags of onion. Dito naman, 1 bag is equivalent or equal to 2.5 kilograms. Next step, plan. So, what is or are the operations to be used? So, para malaman natin kung gaano kabigat yung garlic, kailangan natin i-multiply yung kung ilang bags and then kung ilan ang gaano kabigat ang isang bag ng garlic. Same with onions. So, yung 15 bags, i-multiply po natin sa weight ng isang bag which is 2.5 kilograms. And then, para malaman natin yung total weight, syempre, i-add po natin yung mga naging product. So, therefore, the operations to be used are multiplication and addition. So, ang gagawin natin dito, yung 10 bags, multiply natin sa 1.75 plus 15 bags, multiply sa 2.5 kilograms. So, let's have the third step. Solve. So, what is the number sentence, solution, and answer? So, yung ating number sentence dito, 10 times 1.75 plus the product of 15 and 2.5 equals n. So, yung lesson natin dun sa multiplication of decimals, kapag ang decimal, minultiply siya sa 10, so mag-move lang po tayo ng 1 decimal place to the right. So, ibig sabihin, yung 10 tsaka yung 1.75, kapag pinag-multiply sila, the product will be 17.5. So, yung decimal point natin, mag-move tayo ng 1 decimal place to the right. Kaya naging 17.5. Now, let's have 15 times 2.5. So, dito natin i-multiply. So, 15 times 2.5. So, 5 times 5, that is 25. So, sulat natin 5. And then, carry 2. 1 times 5, 5. And then, add natin yung 2. 7. So, that is 75. Next, dito naman tayo sa 2. So, 2 times 5, that is 10. So, sulat natin 0. And then, carry 1. 1 times 2, that is 2. Plus 1, 3. And then, yung last step natin is, i-add natin sila. So, bring down natin yung 5. 7 plus 0, that is 7. And then, bring down natin yung 3. So, for the final step, so, bilangin natin yung decimal places dito sa ating mga factors. So, ito lang pong 2.5 ang merong decimal point. So, which is 1. Therefore, mag-move tayo ng 1 decimal places to the left. So, magsimula tayo dito. And then, move. So, yung answer natin is 37.5. So, the product of 15 and 2.5 is 37.5. So, 37.5 equals n. And then, finally, i-add lang natin yung 17.5 tsaka 37.5. So, dito naman natin papakita yon. So, 17.5 plus 37.5. 5 plus 5, that is 10. So, we write 0 and then carry 1. 7 plus 7, that is 14. Plus 1, 15. So, sulat natin 5 and then carry 1. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Plus 1, 5. And then, yung ating decimal point is i-align lang po natin, itatapat po natin dito sa ibaba. Ayan. So, yung final answer natin is 55.0 or just simply 55. So, therefore, n equals 55. So, yung complete answer natin, therefore, the total weight of the packed vegetables is 55 kilograms. So, wag po natin kakalimutang include yung unit niya. So, since pinag-uusapan natin is timbang, bigat, that is kilograms. So, yung last step natin, check and look back. So, is your solution correct? So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito is repeat process lang. So, i-check natin kung tama ba yung 10 and 1.75 na sagot is 17.5. As well as yung 15 tsaka yung 2.5 kung yung product ba nila is 37.5. Or pwede rin namang yung 55, mag-subtract tayo sa kanya nung product nung 10 tsaka 1.75. And then, ang kailangan na sagot na makuha natin is yung product nung 15 tsaka 2.5. So, pwede nating ilagay ganito. 55 minus yung product nung 10 tsaka 1.75. Kailangan equal siya sa product ng 15 tsaka 2.5. Or pwede rin namang 55 minus yung product ng 15 tsaka 2.5. And then, kailangan ang makuha nating sagot is yung product ng 10 and 1.75. So, let's have problem number 2. At the grocery, Juancho bought 6 canned goods at 24 and 75 cents each and 8 noodles that cost 13 pesos and 30 centavos each. If he gave 500 pesos to the cashier, how much change did he receive? Okay, so bumili po si Juancho ng canned goods and noodles dun sa isang grocery. And then, nakalagay po dyan yung presyo ng kada canned good tsaka noodles. So, and then, nakalagay din dyan kung magkano ang ibinayad ni Juancho dun sa cashier. So, ang tinatanong niya dito is, magkano yung sukle, yung change. So, let's have the first step, understand. So, identify what is asked and what are given. So, what is asked? The change received by Juancho in buying 6 canned goods and 8 noodles. So, the amount of money that Juancho will be receiving. So, kung nagbayad siya ng 500 pesos. And then, what are given naman? So, yung given natin dito is 6 canned goods. One can is equal to 24 pesos and 75 centavos. And then, yung noodles naman, so 8 noodles, and then 1 pack cost 13 pesos and 30 centavos. And then, 500 pesos. Ito yung money at first. So, bago siya bumili, meron siyang 500 pesos. So, next naman, what is or are the operations to be used? So, para malaman natin kung ilan lahat ang presyo ng canned goods, ng noodles, kailangan po natin syempre mag-multiply. So, kailangan po natin ang multiplication. And then, para malaman din natin magkano yung total na binili niya, kailangan din po natin yung addition operation. And then, finally, para malaman natin magkano yung sukli ni Juancho, kailangan po natin yung subtraction. So, for our third step, we have the number sentence, solution, and answer. So, yung ating number sentence, ganito po siya isusulat. So, una muna nating isulat is yung 500 pesos. Minus yung sum ng product ng canned goods tsaka noodles. So, paano natin yon isusulat? So, 6 times 24 pesos and 75 centavos plus 8 times 13 pesos and 30 centavos equals N. So, kailangan nating makuha yung product ng 6 and 24 pesos and 75 centavos. And then yung 8 tsaka yung 13 pesos and 30 centavos. So dito muna tayo sa 24 pesos and 75 centavos times 6. So 24 pesos times 0.75 times 6. So 5 times 6 we have 30. So sulat natin 0 and then 3. 7 times 6 we have 42 plus 3, 45. So we'll write 5 and then carry 4. 4 times 6 we have 24 plus 4, that is 28, and then carry 2. 2 times 6 we have 12 plus 4, that is 14. And then bilangin natin yung decimal places. So dito sa 24 pesos and 75 cents we have 2. So magmo-move tayo ng 2 decimal places to the left, starting from here, 1, 2. So yung product natin dito is 148 pesos and 50 centavos. And then dito naman tayo sa 8 and 13 pesos and 30 centavos. So 13 pesos and 30 centavos times 8. 0 times 8, that is 0. 3 times 8, we have 24. So isulat natin 4 and then carry 2. 3 times 8, that is 24, plus 2, 26. So sulat natin 6 and then carry 2. So 1 times 8, 8 plus 2, 10. And then dalawa din po yung decimal places dito sa 13 pesos and 30 centavos. So magmo-move tayo ng dalawa. So therefore, our final answer is 106 pesos and 40 centavos. So ayan, nakuha na natin po yung product. So next na gagawin po natin yan is pag-a-add po natin sila. So 148 pesos and 50 centavos plus 106 pesos and 40 centavos equals N. So, kapag pinag-add po natin yung 148 pesos and 50 centavos tsaka yung 106 pesos and 40 centavos, so ang lilitaw pong sagot is 254 pesos and 90 centavos. So, pwede natin yon ipakita. So, paano ba? Saan ba banda? Dito na lang. So, dito sa itaas. 148 pesos and 50 centavos plus 106 pesos and 40 centavos. So, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 6, 14. Carry 1. So, 1 plus 4, 5. Plus 0, 5. And then 1 plus 1, 2. So, tama nga na 254 pesos and 90 centavos equals N. Now, yung last step natin, kailangan natin pag-subtract yung dalawa. So, yung 500 pesos and 254 pesos and 90 centavos. So, pwede nating ilagay dito 500 pesos minus 254 pesos and 90 centavos. 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 minus 9 cannot be. So, mangiiram tayo. So, magbaborrow tayo. So, dito, hanggang doon. So, yung 5 magiging 4. Etong 0 is magiging 9. Ito namang 0, magiging 9 din. And then, itong 0 na to magiging 10. So, 10 minus 9, that is 1. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 5, that is 4. And then, 4 minus 2, we have 2. And then, i-align lang natin yung decimal point. So, N is equal to 245 pesos and 10 centavos. So, ito po ang magiging sukli ni Juancho doon sa kanyang pinamili na 6 na canned goods tsaka 8 noodles. So, let's have check and look back. So, yung nakuha nating sagot kanina, which is 245 pesos and 10 centavos. So, pwede nating isubtract yon sa 500 pesos. And then, ang makukuha dapat nating sagot is yung sum ng product ng 6 and yung canned goods tsaka noodles. So, which is, yung nakuha natin kanina, 254 pesos and 90 centavos. Or, pwede rin namang i-add natin yung 254 pesos and 90 centavos tsaka 245 pesos and 10 centavos. And then, kapag pinag-add natin yon, kailangan ang lumitaw na sum is yung 500 pesos. Kapag ginawa natin yan, ma-check natin na tama naman yung ating solusyon. So, nasa sa atin kung paano natin i-re-check yung ating solusyon, kung tama ba or mali. For as long as nakuha naman natin yung tamang sagot using checking, okay lang kung anumang process ang gusto nating gamitin. So, let's have the next problem. So, Alex bought 30 boxes of face mask from a supplier at 54 pesos and 25 centavos per box and sold them at 64 pesos and 75 cents per box. How much profit did he make? So, yung ating hinahanap dito is yung magkano yung kita. So, let's have the first step. So, let's identify what is asked and what are given. So, what is asked? So, the total profit of Alex for selling face mask. Next, what are given? So, unang-una is yung 30 boxes of face mask. Wherein, yung presyo ng isang box ng face mask dun sa supplier is 54 pesos and 25 centavos. And then, yung selling price niya is 64 pesos and 75 cents per box. Siyempre, kapag binenta niya yon, hindi naman kamukha nung presyo kung magkano niya nabili dun sa supplier. Siyempre, kikita siya kapag dinagdagan niya, siyempre. On this case, makikita niyo naman, almost 10 pesos ang tinaas. More than 10 pesos ang kanyang kita doon sa kada box. So, kung magkano yung profit na makukuha niya is isosolve natin dito. So, yung plan natin, so what is or the operation or operations to be used? So, ang operation po natin dito, syempre, hindi mawawala, multiplication. And then, since hinahanap natin yung kita, kailangan din po natin yung subtraction. So, kailangan nating i-multiply yung 30 tsaka yung original price, yung supplier's price, which is 54 pesos and 25 centavos. And then, yung nakuha nating product dun sa dalawa na yon is isusubtract natin dun sa product naman ng 64 pesos and 75 centavos. Tsaka yung 30. Para makita natin magkano ang naging kita niya. So, let's have the number sentence. So, ganito po ang itsura ng number sentence niya. 64 pesos and 75 cents times 30 minus 54 pesos and 25 cents times 30 equals N. So, ngayon, pwede nating pag-multiply itong dalawa na to, tapos minus yung product nito. Or pwede rin namang pag-subtract natin yung 64 pesos and 75 centavos, tsaka yung 54 pesos and 25 centavos. And then, yung makukuha nating difference doon is i-multiply natin sa 30. So, pwede rin po na ganito natin isulat ang number sentence. 64 pesos and 75 cents minus 54 pesos and 25 cents times 30 equals N. So, either way, makukuha naman natin yung sagot. So, subtract natin. Sige, gawin natin yung mas mabilis. 64 pesos and 75 cents minus 54 pesos and 25 centavos. So, 5 minus 5, we have 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 4, we have 0. 6 minus 5, we have 1. So, ang kita ni Alex kada box ay 10 pesos and 50 centavos. So, yung nakuha nating difference na 10 pesos and 50 centavos, i-multiply ngayon natin sa 30 equals N. So, 10 pesos and 50 centavos times 30. So, 0 times 0. So, maglagay tayo ng 4 na 0. 3 times 0, that is 0. 3 times 5, 15. So, write 5, then carry 1. 0 times 3, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then, finally, 1 times 3, 3. So, add natin 0, 0, 5, 1, 3. And then, bilangin natin yung decimal places. So, we only have 2 dito. So, mag-move tayo ng 2 decimal places to the left. So, therefore, we have 315 pesos. So, yung N natin dito is 315 pesos. Therefore, the total profit of Alex is 315 pesos. So, para check natin yung sagot natin, so, pwede nating i-multiply yung 64 pesos and 75 centavos. Tsaka, natin isubtract yung kita ni Alex, which is 315 pesos. And then, kailangan ang makuha nating sagot is yung product ng 54 pesos and 25 cents tsaka yung 30. So, kapag ginawa natin yan, makikita nyo naman na equal yung ating magiging sagot. And then, makikita natin dyan na 315 pesos nga naman talaga ang kita or profit ni Alex sa pagbenta ng 30 boxes nung face mask. So for our next video lesson, so i-discuss naman natin yung last operation, which is division. So we will divide whole numbers by decimals up to 2 decimal places and vice versa. So whole number divided by decimals and then decimals divided by whole numbers. Kaya nga meron tayo dyang vice versa. And then we will also divide decimals or mixed decimals up to 2 decimal places. Hindi lang whole numbers by decimals, decimals by whole numbers. Syempre, decimals by decimals. Kaya lang up to 2 decimal places lang.